Find It Campus is a proposed digital prototype developed specially for UiTM Kota Kinabalu. The system uses slogan Find, Report, Reunite because its main purpose is to help lost belongings return safely to their rightful owners. At UiTM Kota Kinabalu, students commonly lose their personal belongings such as mobile phones, wallets, laptops, key student cards, files, and other important items. This item may look small, but for students, they can be very important for daily classes, identifications, assignments, and personal use. Under the current practice, students mainly depend on HEA, Polis Bantuan, and WhatsApp announcement to report or search for lost items. If an item is found, it may be handed to HEA or Polis Bantuan, and the information may later be shared through WhatsApp groups. However, not every student is in the correct WhatsApp group. Even if they are in the group, they may still miss the announcement because messages can move very quickly. Important lost and found updates can also be buried under newer messages. Therefore, the idea behind Find It Campus is to provide a more centralized and organized platform where students and HEA can manage lost and found reports more efficiently.
Welcome to Find IT Campus, UITM Edition, a digital lost and found system designed to help students report, locate and recover missing belongings safely. For new users, begin by selecting Sign Up at the bottom of the page. Enter your student email address, create a password and retype your confirmed password, and complete the required registration details to create your account. Next, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your registered student email. Enter the code in the boxes provided, then click Verify Email to complete your account registration. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Click your profile icon at the top right corner, then select Settings. Under the Profile tab, complete all required personal details, including your full name, student ID, program, faculty, and profile photo. Make sure every detail is accurate and up to date. Once completed, click Save Changes. This information will help HEA verify your identity more quickly and securely when you submit a claim or collect a lost item. Next, click Dashboard. Here, you can report a lost item, report a found item, or report a lost item. Select Report Lost from the dashboard. Begin by entering the item name, category, color, brand, and a clear description. Include any special identifying features, such as scratches, stickers, engravings, unique marks, or accessories. These details will help the system compare your report with found item reports more accurately. Next, provide the location where the item was lost. Add the specific building, floor, date, and approximate time whenever possible. Accurate information increases the chance of finding a suitable match. Upload clear and recent photos of the lost item. You must also upload a clear and genuine photo of your student card for identity verification. Make sure all important details on the card are visible. Do not upload a blurry, edited, fake, or incorrect student card. If the system or HEA cannot verify your identity, you may be unable to complete the report, and your submission may be rejected or cancelled. After that, create verification questions and secret answers that only the real owner would know. These questions help prevent false ownership claims. Finally, review all the information carefully and click Submit Report. HEA or the administrator will review your submission, and you will be notified when a possible match is found. Finally, review all the information and click Submit Report. After that, your lost item report will submitted successfully. The system will then display your report under Track Status, where you can monitor its progress and check for updates. Next, select Report Found from the dashboard. The same process applies when reporting a found item. Begin by entering the item name, category, color, brand, and a clear description. Make sure the information is accurate, but avoid revealing too many hidden details that could help someone make a false claim. Next, provide the exact location, building, date, and approximate time the item was found. You may also include temporary storage notes to explain where the item is being kept before it is handed. For your information, please state where the found item is currently being kept under temporary storage notes. Then, hand the item to HEA or Polis Bantuan as soon as possible for verification and safekeeping. Or, you may hand it to an authorized UITM staff member. Then, upload clear photos of the found item and a clear, genuine student card for verification. Blurry, edited, or false documents will not be accepted and may cause the report to be rejected by the system. After completing all required sections, review the information carefully and click Submit Report. Return to the dashboard to view your previous lost and found reports under My Reports. Once HEA verifies a found item, any possible match to your lost report will appear under Smart Matches. Click View Item to review the item details. Next, open the campus leaderboard. You will earn points for each verified found item, and your total points and ranking will be displayed here. For administrators, the registration and sign-in process is the same. In this demonstration, I will select Continue with Google to sign in directly. Select Admin to access the management panel. Two sections will be available: Lost Item Reports and Found Item Reports, allowing administrators to review and manage all submitted reports. Administrators may review each report, verify the information provided, and update the report status accordingly. When ready for collection, the administrator can select either Pull as Bantuan or HEA. The same procedure applies to found items. Select Admin, then open Found Item Reports to review and manage the submissions. For each found item, the administrator can select Find Matches to compare it with existing lost item reports and confirm the most suitable match. The administrator can view the report, then either confirm or reject the suggested match. Thank you for listening to our Find IT Campus Instruction Guideline. We hope this guide helps you understand how to use the system safely and effectively. Together, let's keep our campus honest, responsible, and caring.
Although WhatsApp allows information to be shared quickly, the overall lost and found process remains informal, scattered, and difficult to monitor. The first issue is misinformation. Students may not see the announcement at the right time, or they may need to scroll through many old messages to check whether the item has been found. This makes the recovery process slower and less convenient. The second issue is manual tracking. Without a proper digital record, it can be difficult for HEA to monitor which items are still pending, which items have already been claimed, and which items have been returned to the owner. This may also increase repeated inquiries from students who keep asking for updates. The third issue is security and ownership verification. Some lost items are valuable or personal, such as wallets, phones, laptops, and student cards. These items should not be returned simply because someone says, "This is mine." There must be a proper verification process to make sure the item is returned to the rightful owner. So, the problem is not about convenience. This is also about accuracy, accountability, security, and trust in the lost and found process. To address these problems, our group developed Find It Campus as a proposed digital support system for UiTM Kota Kinabalu. Find It Campus centralized lost and found reports into one digital platform. Students can report lost items, report found items, view possible matches, and monitor the status of their own reports. At the same time, the system supports HEA by improving the way reports are recorded, reviewed, and updated. HEA can manage collection points, update report statuses, and control the return process more systematically. It is important to highlight that Find It Campus is not designed to replace HEA. Instead, it acts as a digital support layer for HEA. The physical item can still be handed to HEA or Polis Bantuan, but the information, verification, and tracking process can be managed more clearly through the system. In simple terms, Find It Campus changes the lost and found process from a scattered WhatsApp-based process into a more organized, traceable, and secure digital workflow. Next, I will pass to Marian to explain the project objectives, target users, and process flow.
Thank you, Angela. So, based on the problem explained earlier, Find It Campus was built to achieve three main objectives. First objective is to centralize lost and found reports in one digital platform for UiTM Kota Kinabalu students. This means students do not have to depend only on WhatsApp's announcement, manual inquiries, or informal searching. They can submit their lost or found items reports directly through the system. The second objective is to assist HEA in managing lost and found reports. Through the admin function, HEA can review reports, update item status, set collection points, and add remarks. This will help HEA manage the process in a more organized and traceable way. The third objective is to improve item recovery and also the security. This is to achieve through smart matching, student ID verification, personal ownership question, and also rewards point. These features are important because the system is not only about finding the items faster, but also about making sure the item is returned to the correct person. Together, these objectives support the main purpose of Find It Campus, which is to improve the lost and found process through a more systematic and secure digital approach. Next, the scope of this prototype is focused only on UiTM Kota Kinabalu. The prototype is designed for two main users groups. The first user group is UiTM Kota Kinabalu students. The students are allowed to report lost item, report found item, view their own submitted reports, view relevant possible match suggestions, and also monitor the status of their claims or reports. However, Students are not allowed to browse the complete list of reports submitted by the other users, because this is an important privacy feature. If all reports were publicly visible, they could be misuse of information, especially for valuable items. The second user group is HUA administrator. HUA administrators have broader access because they are responsible for verification, monitoring, and system administrations. HUA can review reports, update status, add remarks, and manage the item return process. This separation between student access and HUA access is important because the item must balance convenience with security. Students need a simple reporting process while HUA needs proper control over verification and also approval. So next, for the lost item process, the student first access the Find It campus and select the option to report a lost item. The student then provide relevant information about the lost item. This includes the item name, item category, color, brand, general descriptions, special identifying features, location where the item was lost, date and approximate time of loss, and a photograph of the item if available. The special identifying features are important because they will help differentiate similar items. For example, many students may own a black wallet or black phone, but only the real owner may know the specific mark such as sticker, engraving, phone case, or item inside the wallet or bag. The student is also required to upload a student identification photograph for administrative verification. This student ID photograph is accessible only to HA administrator, not to the other students. Another important step is the ownership verification question. The student creates one or more personal questions that only the rightful owner should know. For example, what is inside the bag or what is the phone wallpaper? After the report is submitted, it is assigned an initial status of awaiting match. This means the system will wait for possible found item reports that may match the lost item. So next, for the found item process, the student access Find It campus and select the option to report a found item. The students submit relevant information about the found item such as the item type, color, brand, descriptions, location found, and the date and time found. The student may also upload a photo of the item to support the matching process. However, reporting the item online is not enough. The student is also instructed to hand the physical item to HCA or Polis Bantuan. This is very important because the item must be retained by the responsible campus authority for verification and safekeeping. This means Find It campus does not remove the existing physical process. Instead, it improves the process by creating a trackable digital record. The system records the detail while HCA or Polis Bantuan keep the item safely. This combination of digital reporting and physical safekeeping helps create a more reliable lost and found process. Next, Raihana will explain the Smart Matching Framework, claim verification, administrative process, and also the security features.
Thank you, Marian. So I will continue with the next presentation. So one of the main innovation features of Find It campus is the Smart Matching Framework. The system compares information contained in lost item and found item reports. The matching criteria may include item category, color, brand, location, date, description, and special identifying characteristic. For example, if a student report a lost MacBook and another student report a found laptop, the system may detect similarities and generate a possible match suggestion. However, match suggestion does not automatically confirm ownership. This is important because the system only provides a possible match based on similar information. It does not immediately decide who the owner is. The student must review the suggested match and submit a formal claim request if they believe that the item belongs to them. This smart matching framework helps reduce manual research and make the recovery process faster, while still keeping the final verification under HEA control. possible match is suggested, the next important step is the ownership, claim, and verification process. The claimant must answer the personal ownership verification question established by the original reporter. These questions are designed to test whether the claimant truly knows specifically details about the lost item. For example, if the item is a bag, the claimant may need to answer what is inside the bag. If the item is the phone, the claimant may need to identify the phone wallpaper, case color, or other unique details. After the claimant answers the verification question, HEA will review the claim before the item can be collected. This helps reduce fake claims and ensure the item is returned to the rightful owner. The item is released only after the verification requirements have been satisfied. HEA retains the final authority to approve or reject the return of the item. This process is important because the system must protect both the item and the rightful owner. The administrative process flow focuses on the role of HEA. HEA accesses the administrator dashboard and can view the list of lost item and found item reports. This allows HEA to monitor reports in one organized platform instead of relying only on manual notes or WhatsApp message. HEA may also submit reports on behalf of students who require assistance. This is useful for new students or students who do not know how to use the website. For lost item report, the progress of each case follow 4 main status or waiting matches, HEA review, ready for collection, and close. For item reports, the progress flow includes reported found, handed to HEA, review, or pending claim and return to owner. HEA can also add relevant remark or collection instruction. For example, HEA may state where the item can be collected or what the student need to bring during collection. Once an item has been successfully returned, the case is closed. The student who returned the item may also receive reward points for responsible and honest behavior. This administrative flow helps HEA manage lost and found cases in a more systematic, transparent, and accountable way. Security is one of the strongest aspects of the Find It Campus prototype because the system is designed to protect student privacy, prevent misuse of information, and ensure a safe lost and found process. Firstly, students must complete student identity verification before submitting a report. They are required to upload their valid student ID photo. If the student ID is invalid, unclear, or does not match the student information, the report will not be accepted. This helps prevent fake reports and ensure that every report is linked to a verified student identity. The uploaded student ID photo is only accessible by HEA or admin for verification purposes. Other students cannot view this information, which protects student privacy while allowing HEA to confirm that the user identity. Secondly, students cannot browse all reports submitted by other users. They can only view their own reports and receive relevant match suggestions. This reduces information misuse and protects details about the lost item. Thirdly, claimant must answer ownership verification question before their claim is reviewed. This provides an additional security layer by ensuring that only the real owner can provide specific details about the item. Lastly, HEA or admin has the final authority to approve the return process. The system does not allow automatic approval because human verification is still required. Overall, Find It Campus is designed not only for convenience but also for security, trust, and accountability by combining identity verification, privacy protection, ownership verification, and human review. Next, Marianne will explain the project innovation result, reward concept, commercialization potential, and conclusion.
Thank you, Raihana. Find It Campus is not just a normal lost and found website. Its novelty lies in combining several useful features into one campus-based system. The first innovation is the smart matching system, which helps suggest possible matches between lost and found report. This reduces the need for students to search manually through WhatsApp messages. The second innovation is the use of personal ownership verification question, which help reduce false claim. This is important because the system must make sure that the claimant is the rightful owner. The third innovation is the student ID verification, where the student ID is only visible to HEA admin. This supports identity verification without exposing student information to other users. The fourth innovation is the HEA admin control, where HEA can review reports, update status, set collection point, and add remarks. Together, these features make Find It Campus more than a reporting website. It becomes a source of secure campus recovery system. Another innovative feature is the reward point concept. Since UiTM already has a merit culture where students can collect points through activities and involvement, our prototype suggests that honest behavior such as returning found item can also be recognized. This reward point concept is not only about giving points, it is also about encouraging a positive attitude among students. When students know that honesty is recognized, they may be more motivated to report found item properly. This can help to create a more responsible and caring campus environment. It is also support the idea that innovation should not only solve technical problems but also encourage better behavior within the community. Find It Campus has the potential to be developed from a prototype into a fully functional web-based or mobile application. The system can be commercialized as a specialized lost and found management platform for university, colleges, boarding school, training institutions, libraries, shopping complexes, hospital, airport, public transportation operator, government offices, and event venues. This is because lost and found management is not only a university issue. Many organizations also face similar problems where items are lost, found, stored, claimed, and returned. The system can also be customized based on the operational requirement and branding of different organizations. For example, a university may need student verification, while a shopping complex may need customer service verification. However, commercialization would require further development in cybersecurity, personal data protection, server infrastructure, scalability, user authentication, system maintenance, technical support, and compliance with institutional policies and data protection requirements. A pilot implementation at UiTM Kota Kinabalu could provide evidence of usability and operational effectiveness before the system is expanded to other UiTM campuses or external institutions. They show that Find It Campus has practical potential beyond this prototype stage. In conclusion, Find It Campus is a proposed prototype designed to improve the lost and found process at UiTM Kota Kinabalu. It addressed the problem of scattered WhatsApp announcement, manual tracking, misinformation, slow item recovery, and false claim. Through digital reporting, smart matching, ownership verification, student ID verification, HEA admin control, and reward point, the system provides a more organized and secure approach to campus lost and found management. The main value of Find It Campus is that it supports both student and also HEA. Students gain a clearer way to report and track lost items, while HEA gains a more organized way to manage record, review claim, and return items safely. Our system slogan is Find, Report, Reunite. Our campus message is One Campus, One Community, One Care.